Hello everyone, I am Harsh Gupta and today I will be presenting my capstone project Get YouTube Subscribers, which is a part of the Elma Better course. This project is an API developed using Node.js and Express.js framework. For the database, I have used MongoDB with Mongoose as an ODM library. To ensure proper API documentation, Swagger is integrated. I have also used GitHub for version control and for code storage. Render for the hosting the web services, making it accessible over the internet. Now before diving into the code implementation, let's first take a look at the feature of these APIs and test it using Swagger. Now the default route is the base route, which gets when the user clicks, so it gets redirected to the Swagger page using the /API route endpoint. Now see, these are the three endpoints which we have implemented. The subscribers, so /subscribers retrieves all the list of the subscribers which are present. So let's try it out. See, all the subscribers are present, and in this Swagger we can see if the general format of the 200 status code response is this, and if there is 400, then the error of database will be displayed. Let's move on to the next get request subscriber/name. So when this endpoint is hit, we retrieve the subscriber's name along with their subscribed channel details. So in this we are omitting their subscriber ID and the subscribe date, and if the response status is 400, then we can see we are getting invalid name URL error. So let's try it out, this one, and we get this. Now let's see the third route, which is the dynamic route. So what it does is that it's a subscriber and we supply the subscriber ID. So when for that particular subscriber ID we get the results. So let's now try it out. This is one example subscriber ID. So if we see with this subscriber ID, we see there is no user existing for this subscriber ID. Now let's try giving some other invalid type ID like this. Okay, so we see we get an invalid ID 400 response. Now too much of errors. Let's see one valid ID. Okay, so let's see for this. Okay, now let's execute it. Oh, voila! So we received the for subscribers details for that particular ID. So this was the Swagger document for the hosted one. Now let's see the implementation details and dive into a let's check the implementation details. So here SRC model is the inside the SRC model all the files are present. So index.js is the main file which through which the app starts listening. So we run the npm run diff command and the connection is made. First the database is connected and then the app listens on the certain port number 3000. So our point is to note is that first the database should be connected, then only the server should start listening. Now let's see our model, subscribers model. So it is created using a mongoose.schema. So the three fields are name, subscriber channel and subscribe date, which is of type date. These are the three fields, and here is a create database.js. So this file what it does, it pre-populates a database before running. So what it does, it makes a connection with the MongoDB and it deletes all the previous data and creates a new data. So the data which will be inserted new is this. So it const data, this is this, and a name, the three values are present. Now moving on to the app.js file. So these are the three routes which are present in this file. So here we can see this is a custom error class which extends the error, and we will be using it to throw any errors. So this is the subscriber channel get method, get request. So which is the try catch block is used so that if there is any error, we can catch the error and throw a custom error using the next function. Subscribers is so get all the subscribers, subscriber name. So we are getting all the details of the subscribers along with their name and the subscribe channel. We will be opting this time the ID and the subscribe date values. and subscribers ID. When giving any particular ID in a dynamic route, this can be accessed using the request.parents.id, and a data DB call is made. So to fetch the particular ID details, if there is no user exists, then we get a no user exists error, and if the ID is invalid, we get this invalid ID error. This is the error handler middleware which we have used. So when the next function is called with the error, this is caught in the line, and it throws a and returns a response status of error status isn't with the error.message error. And I've also used the .env files, as you can see, because we keep all our environment variables and the important credentials in this file, which are so that it can be protected over the internet. And these variables can be accessed using the .env config uh, npm package in a file. So here we can see we have used the .env config package and the process.env database URL was .env port number. Okay, so with this we end the project. Thank you.